Alright, let's break this down properly. You've probably seen those ads, 1 crore cover at just 400 rupees per month. Now this sounds like a great deal, but when you actually dig in, you realize there's a bit more to it. Because term insurance market is packed with plans that all promise the same thing, financial protection for your family. And if you're only looking at affordable premiums without checking the fine print, chances are you might miss the full picture. Hey folks, you're watching Ditto Insurance. I'm Shashank, and in today's video, we're doing a deep dive comparison of affordable 1 crore term insurance plans in India for 2025. We'll not only compare premiums for different profiles like smoker, non-profile, salaried, self-employed, we'll also break down what each plan offers beyond the price tag. And by the end of the video, you'll exactly know which plan offers the best value for your situation. And listen, if you want to skip the guesswork, you can always book a free call with Ditto's insurance advisors. We promise not to spam, we'll be honest, and you will just get unbiased help from our team, rated 4.9 over 5, over 14,000 customers. The link is in the description. Alright, let's talk about the plans. We're going to be comparing your major contenders here. ICICI iProtect Smart Plus, Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus, Bajaj Allianz eTouch 2, and Tata Sampoorna Raksha Promise. Now, step 1. Let's look at what they all offer feature-wise. Every single one of them checks the basic boxes. Terminal illness cover, insta payout, on-claim intimation, zero-cost exit options, and auto-cover continuance, which is great. You don't want a plan that doesn't support you during life-altering events like terminal illness or sudden payout disruptions. But here's where we start seeing the differences. Axis Max Life, Bajaj Allianz, and Tata AIA all include health management programs in their offerings. That means you may get access to lifestyle tracking, rewards, or wellness benefits built into the policy. ICICI surprisingly does not offer this. And then life stage benefit. That's where you can increase your sum assured after key life events like marriage or childbirth without fresh medicals. ICICI, Bajaj, and Tata AIA offer this. Axis does not. So even before looking at premiums, there are trade-offs, and if you're looking for long-term flexibility, Axis may fall slightly short. If you care about wellness add-ons, ICICI won't offer much there. Now let's talk about the thing everyone wants to know. How do the premiums compare? We tested each plan across 8 real-life user profiles: male and female, 25 and 30 years old, salaried and self-employed, smoker and non-smoker. Now for non-smokers, here's what stood out. If you're in your early 20s and salaried, Axis Max Life consistently gives you more economic premium. For a 25-year-old male, it's 9,800 and change in year 1 with discounts applied. For a 25-year-old female, it's around 8,400. And even after the first year, it stays well under 12,000 rupees. But if you're 30 and self-employed, Bajaj Allianz takes the lead. Their first year premium for a 30-year-old female self-employed applicant is just 8,300. That's lower than everyone else. Including Axis, for males, Bajaj still comes out ahead or on par. Now for smoker profiles, and this is where things shift slightly, among smokers, Bajaj Allianz and Tata AIA consistently offer the lowest premiums. For instance, the 30-year-old female self-employed smoker pays just 15,200 in year 1 with Bajaj. Axis and ICICI are much higher at 18,500 and 18,300 respectively. So while Axis wins in non-smoker pricing for young salaried folks, Bajaj Allianz is better deal for older or smoker profiles. And Tata AIA SRP, well, it's somewhere in between. Never the cheapest, but still very competitive. Quick note here though, ICICI might seem expensive in some profiles, but it does offer a deeper set of built-in features, especially that insta payout and auto cover continuance or premium break options, which adds real-world value. Now, let's not forget something crucial: year 2 premiums. Almost every insurer is offering discounted premiums for year 1. That means starting year 2, the price jumps, and that's the actual number you will pay for the rest of your policy term. Axis gives a 15% year 1 discount, ICICI around 12.5%, Bajaj and Tata both throwing combo discounts for buying online, being salaried, or being a first-time buyer. So keep in mind, these headline prices may not reflect the real cost long term, so make sure you're looking at the actual second year premium while calculating affordability. Now let's zoom out a bit. 1 crore feels like a huge number, right? But here's the uncomfortable truth. Thanks to inflation, a 1 crore payout in 2045 could be worth as little as 40 or 50 lakh rupees in today's value. That's less than what some homes cost today. So while 1 crore is a solid starting point, you don't treat it like a magic number. Consider inflation-adjusted plans, or at least revisit your policy every 5 to 10 years to bump it up. Also, term insurance is more than just a check mark on your financial to-do list. You're buying peace of mind for your family. So don't just chase the cheapest plan, look for value. In other words, the best 1 crore term plan isn't the one with the lowest premiums, it's the one that balances affordability with features, flexibility, and trust in the insurer. And if you're looking for that sweet spot, our advisors at Ditto can help you compare, pick, and even negotiate a better deal. Book a free consultation today. We will never spam you, only honest advice. Alright, one final tip. If you're under 30 and thinking of going for a 1 crore plan, maybe stretch a little. Go for 1.5 or even 2 crores. Because the extra cost isn't double. In fact, a 2 crore plan might cost just 1.5 times what a 1 crore plan does. And it gives your family a much wider safety net. That's it from me today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll answer them for you. And as always, happy insurance hunting.